In fact, Stonebwoy mom there sometimes. Otimi ya adie Emma se wu defending na aye din so be defending no.
Ghana entertainment industry. Eja. Safe the money na man who said Ghana entertainment industry. Eja. The aftermath of Stonebwoy's tweet, you know. Eja. Wale. Senior na bibia boko de. Na wale. Private jet phone ya tena mu bie. Lie ben. Say si o se odon kwa. Ana. Me fam ko kotin kotena se. We ka ukwe. No afre no aboy. Na say so kra wo ya me cousin o se de. Brani enko chile o London. E be de enko ba bia. Na aboy so di ni team no ma betena mu bi. Na mu nyina mo ko. Kamoko ye pictures yi sabi muni senior man Bulare mutete open top move twa obi a je fans ni bi. Wale. Unko na oje fans no. Adidi jawo ye anyo. Hey yo. Hey ya. No, adidi ja ani muna nenam. I'm telling you. Hey ya. Hey ya. But me to me a good say Stonebwoy did sa tweet ne ebaye. On say esu bi wo ho a uta sugu mu a obeyare. On say de bi o etimi ye oya. So one ma bonte a meka ma ho antowa. Ade ne bedwo sa akun. Enti no me Stonebwoy ba bonte e be share the frustrations no and I say obe utter the feelings no to me. Normal. To me, it was a bold decision. And the hard didn't say no. Mumia no more yes, I know, no one and yes, I did. And it's a beco go, the yen name may be a beco. And unti Miss Remo, Sabaya, I dare see ye, NCPM no. Shatta. Obede, senior, Namoko de. Nesta moka mumfamun yankobi. And ye lie bia. Ana me fa me kokoten kotenase. Next time mo fa onua nkobia na se mo fro onua se ene ye kwa ho papa. Se be ya enkoye se adidija la lie no ye hia wa ha brabi. Efe. Together as a family. Together as one. But ekwe mu mienu nko a na se bromance bi wa hu. Me kura na me ti o me ka se na dem me so boni be na Ghana for. Hey yo. Hey ya. Trouble Carlos. Papa na den. O content dem antiase o.
In fact, Stonebwoy mom there sometimes. Otimi ya adie bi Emma se wu defending na aye din so be defending no. Imagine say shattawale ene Sarkodie ababe piem ewo UK kwaku smoke e show no. Kwaku smoke ade na waye no in Ghana entertainment industry no ebin sida. Ade kwante ebin sida no ene say kwaku smoke ne flyer no ono pe ena ne da so o post yen obi anka ho. On top of that kwaku smoke ye hunu advert gid bebre se anyomtofo oba na ye advert me hunu bisa. Oba UK so 1 week before the show no. Even Ghana community ne wo UK akwa me na metimi aka se me post video ba akopɛ eno kwa the beginning no me posting them say 500,000. Yeah, said anya advert gidi biasa. But almost 2K capacity kwaku smoke at me as solding it out with ononkwane bay face. Stonebwoy, instead of say went me ama me support no. Instead of say ube tro congratulations say the were usi aba tro no anka fe. O divert attention no e dia call Stonebwoy ne Sarkodie so say these people they don't like each other. They are showing fake love. No cry. The same fake love no usu shattawale bia uso kire no onu so show bi kire wo. Enye first time. One wale muku gidigidi sometimes yetimi kura dwene say ba ku hia ba ku betu ba ku ani. Na enso so mu be hia no awa tu ubonse na ase omo support wale omo support Stonebwoy na omani ewu. Because abanom, oh, this is beautiful, this is beautiful. Nanso so mo ko a no mo say mun sanete. Entina ka apeso chese Stonebwoy ene Sarkodie Shattawale ne Sarkodie o musi o program na se no senka ba kutu ba ko ni. Even kwaku smoke kra no Shattawale e ma boy se kobo no. Ana nse boy bia ba be confirm e wo Darlington Adams life so say as he was part of those boys ne nema. Nanso so no kra no kwaku smoke e the sad difference ne to nchen a just wo hu Shattawale no. The brother was happy to see him there because it's not easy to have these two giants. Or when you show it as a way invite to they just come through to support him. Now, we need to look at the bigger picture than say wemu omutai omo. Adiana Shattawale ne Sarkodie ye no. Ome prove point be say unu obi kwa you can still make peace and make things right. Mumi ensu no na ye nyai se omunka na ye dey.
But I know my Stonebwoy be can ya or can you know. I mean, Carlos, I mean, kind of crunch out. I know my Stonebwoy be can ya or can you know. Sir, utie even as my Stonebwoy can ya, wa modi. Just also who are dear be. Na dear no, ye fake. And now Stonebwoy kasa, or uncle for or kasa chiromo. Wow, ebia on pesa ebia on the fan base no, ebe folly to any fake friendship bia no one who no one de me chono. Which is very normal. Send your cross or cross off with me catch or say, if you were sure, baby, or suffer between us at Tale, or Bonah was shadow, shin you on a tonneson. But a beer, when in coffee and your man, you made you won't the mitch on a big cross some bonny bidinachi. Anna, a yow, a sha, can entertainment industry. What does I want on this sardine, you know, ice water. But it's all good. Aboy, waka. They show me na kan ye no. Usugu mu abayare. Bibia kwaswa. Ka na honto. Hey yaw. Dodo na munim Shattawale no. Mon kan che Shatta say next time no. On friend ni na unya so me chili bi. Unya so me je fans ni bi. Because enkoba se onko ana okoland ni atu agu so hey na da se nya nyum kona na yeto ana me bo nyum kona na nyina yeto na adamenyum no so live yaw me tweet no ade ha me wo ho ni time no tweet na mu de me mfa ho. Nemom time na abo I did tweet ni buy no eno na ha me kakra bi because nanka ade chia eye kwaku smoke day wahu nanka eye kwaku smoke day a ase waye adwuma ntino on ka ebi aboy ma hours kakra be to so kra aboy ma ne 12 hours anase ebi a 24 hours a nanka mepe. But I no cry no aboy am farmer no aboy pen enim de enti a wa massa space no aboy pen enim de enti a wahu wan chenche so no oje trend ni every kwaku smoke. But irrespective of said ye oje ni bia no sola shine was kwaku smoke nya nia o say amanfo ka efa kwaku smoke ho nia o say amanfo ehu efa kwaku smoke nyina no I think say Nyankopon adom kwaku atima reach that goals no because adwuma na kwaku ye no now ye ne hwia enye ye. No, we have to be frank. Adwuma smoke ye no now ye ne hwia enye ye irrespective of say aboy ebe J trend no and nobody can take it away from aboy. But kwaku boy adwuma and there. And now me reading the diplomatic condition of kwaku smoke behavior and inactivities. I think say kwaku etimi master star na ebeboa no. So back last 2 years or so, Ghana Music Awards, a man for coffee for PR, be kasa be tem painting kwam be konto kwam be disrespect musicians den me person me bo bi edin now no me me hear peace. Me mo bi adi. Ba yen nyina nim ne ekọ so. Kwaku Smoke anya bibia o kana no tumu din. Because Kwaku Smoke who say adwuma na waye no. PR bia no betima gye ne shine free ne nsem and I say PR bia no betimi agye na award na free ne nsem because waye adwuma to the extent say we ne hia enye yi. Ampa ye de awards ne hye so no. Nia na Kwaku Smoke ehwehwe nyina ne nsa kan. But before Kwaku Smoke am abonten am ka me bia or me di obi atem or me look down on any musician. Solid guy. Ni show ya obebo no last week Walandi yeah who say Kwaku Smoke ebe ye obi bibia be di obi atem ebe riding on obi fame obi can same be pet debi and one say Bristol Electric yeshia mom yeshia tie even one for flyers who be a man me fa say okay artist way but artist way one who like already on any artist favor and I say artist be numbers there be even wale kwa no be him say wale beko and so at the end of the day onya capacity na ohia no Bonah show e come here say dodo no mtimi cause that show ni bi no omunyina e ka say that show no is one of the best shows a Ghanaian musician from Ghana abeye was ho solid guy but Kwaku we den abo I say shine the oye de oveje kakra yeah and Bim fans no Stonebwoy tweet no munya isa mo ha na agene no and me no kasa say me who tweet bi a omo patch say amount for the Bim logo no na ye yomu DP and as mo taba Stonebwoy but sankrofoni nyina no e kamia say Bim camp ni so mahumu nyina eno nti o hwa na onye Bim native na wo de Stonebwoy BB abeyo DP and our church nsem bi fa Stonebwoy ho asade no munyai time munyai sade no enye fe aboy na ni nye sade no ufili na oka asema de oka ene yo enyo tanachi sa tie na aboy onya peace na onye na adwuma yempe disturbances bia aboy me boana tie. Thanks a million for being part of today's episode of The Bonah Show. Don't forget to subscribe and be part of this bigger family. Onyankopon shraw na until enim chraw. I'm out.